Since we did butterflies, I'm thinking airborne. How about an airplane? We have a nice airplane in store for you little guys. This is a nice easy one too. And the thing that's nice about the airplane and the butterfly is that they play real big and people can see them from all over the place. Now we're going to start with a 260 that's blown up with about an inch of tail left. And we're going to go back to the end. In case you haven't figured this out by now, we almost always start with the end with the knot. Now we're going to make a bubble that's about 2 inches long. And we're going to do a fold twist. And another fold twist. This is the tail of our airplane. Now, we're going to come in about 3 inches from the other end. And we're going to go about 3 inches from our tail, and we're going to make a loop. You see how our loop is? And we're going to go up to the top, just like we did with the butterfly. Bring it down to the bottom. And there we go, twist right there. And now we have a very basic, but elegant airplane. Now, our airplane gets a remote control too, and we're going to put our airplane on a little bit differently, just for stability purposes. We're going to make a bubble, and we're going to use that bubble to lock it in right there. And the bubble kind of looks like a little cockpit anyway on our airplane.